Today we're introducing Supplier Quick Add, a new chef food cost calculator feature that helps you add ingredients from supplier websites in just a few clicks. Supplier Quick Add helps you grab ingredients from supplier websites and send them straight into your ingredients page, so you don't have to manually type in item names, pack sizes, prices, or vendor details. We'll start in the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Chef's Food Cost. You'll see the Supplier Quick Add extension for Chef Food Cost Calculator. Open it, then click Add to Chrome. Once it's installed, click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Find Chef's Food Cost Calculator extension, then click the pin icon so it stays visible in your browser toolbar. I already have a few supplier websites open so we can move quickly. Let's start with Testa. On the Testa product page, click the pin Supplier Quick Add extension in the Chrome toolbar. You'll be asked to log in with the same account used for your active Chef Food Cost Calculator desktop subscription. Next, approve access to the supplier website you're on. Click Allow so the extension can read product information from the page. Once approved, the ingredient details will be pulled in automatically, including anything available like item name, pack size, price, and supplier information. All you have to do to capture this data on a specific product, click Product Capture. After selecting Product Capture, the product cards on the page will be highlighted so you can choose the exact item you want to add. For this example, we'll choose anchovies. Once the product is selected, go back to the Forms section in the extension. You'll see the product information has been captured and filled in automatically, including available details like the item name, pack size, price, and supplier information. The category can be selected manually, since most suppliers do not include that information on their product pages. Once everything looks good, click Save. The ingredient is now added to your ingredients page and can be used in recipes and food cost calculations. Now we can quickly confirm the item landed in the ingredient library. The anchovies are there and ready to use in recipes and food cost calculations. Next, we'll repeat the same process with Restaurant Depot as different vendors have different product cards. Because this is a different supplier website, the extension will ask for site approval here too. Click Allow so it can read product information from this page. Sites only need to be approved once, and approved sites can be managed anytime in the extension settings. After approval, click Product Capture, choose the product card, review the captured details, select a category if needed, and save. In this example, the product name didn't come through exactly how we wanted. When that happens, use Text Capture instead of Product Capture. Text Capture lets you highlight the exact wording on the page, so the ingredient name can be captured more accurately. After selecting the correct text, review the form, choose a category if needed, and save. If the ingredient already exists in your library, you'll be prompted to either update the existing ingredient or save it as a new one. Before moving to the next supplier, it's worth pointing out the two capture options. Product Capture is best for grabbing the main product card. For finer details, Text Capture lets you highlight specific text directly from the supplier page. The process is the same. Open the product page and approve the site if it hasn't been approved yet. Remember, each supplier site only needs approval once. From there, choose Product Capture or Text Capture depending on what works best for the page. Review the captured details to make sure the item name, pack size, price, and supplier information look correct. If anything needs a quick adjustment, you can edit it right in the form. Then select the category that best matches the ingredient, since most supplier websites don't provide category information automatically. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now let's quickly confirm the item was added to the ingredient library in Chef Food Cost Calculator. The new ingredient is now saved in the library with the supplier details attached, so it can be edited, tracked, and used throughout Chef Food Cost Calculator. This supplier extension gives you a faster way to build your ingredient foundation right from the source, using current supplier prices with less manual work. It helps turn the websites you already order from into a quicker path for building and maintaining your ingredient library. Less copying, less typing, and a more accurate starting point for your food costing. That's Supplier Quick Add. Thanks for watching.